How's it going, guys? This weekend we're going to be getting some more stuff done with the truck, but first I just wanted to show everybody how it looks now with the new turn signals and side markers in. So just wanted to show you, and the bumper's back on too, so it definitely looks like much more of a truck. It's coming together. Basically, as the deal went, I had a bed lined up because we were waiting to do this side of the truck until I got the bed, because the idea was I got a killer deal on a short bed. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the front part off to, you know, get past this and everything, and we're gonna cut the back part off to get past this, and then cut the bits out of the floor that we need, you know, for like over here and up front. But moral of the story is on that, dude shafted me out of the bed, sold it out from under me, and now I'm having to pony up more money to my guy to do more fabrication work, which is fine with me, but didn't want to do that because, like, this spot is going to be a big pain, because he's going to have to take steel and make the bends to make them exact like this, and that is going to be a big pain. But he's on his way over here right now because we're going to be doing some other stuff with it today, hopefully, so definitely going to be sharing everything with you guys on that. Also, the driver's side door has been encountering issues. It's been locking itself lately, even though the lock cylinder doesn't work. I'm going to see if it works right now. See, yeah, it opens perfect. And see, sometimes it locks itself. I got to figure that out. It's still the original door latch, but the door is brand new. And it's going to be a pain shutting now. There it went. But anyway, and yeah, this mirror, I got to figure this out too. If anyone knows how I can make this not flop, like even driving, the wind just pushes it in. So if somebody knows like a good tip I could do with that, let me know. But yeah, because I mean, this side of the truck's pretty much done. We gotta, you know, get everything else actually in. I got taillight and everything, but without further ado, let's get running over and grab the welder. Okay, so no welding today, but what do you got going on? That's the piece.
Fabrication, my friends.
That's the piece that was there. The one I showed you guys a minute ago, and that is that like a flattened piece of the RX-7 fender?
Yeah, there's your other half.
Oh, so it's from that bit, and you flatten that out with like a hammer and shit? Okay. All right.
Work with what you got.
So that's all you're pretty much doing today, is just making the panels you need. Then we'll weld them on when we have access to a welder.
Correct.
Which, by the way, I keep forgetting, Chris has a welder at his house.
Chris from work?
Yes. Oh my God. I might be able to get him to bring that over here today. I don't know. There's still plenty more time. But anyway, so yeah, I gave Mr. Derek over here a little bit more money because we got screwed over out of that bed deal. And so that's like a hard panel right there?
It's supposed to be.
It's like an inner structure?
Yeah, they stuck that bitch in there too. With rivets and shit.
Huh. Interesting. Okay.
So, I got this fucking little wire wheel cleaned up. Epoxy it. No more rust.
Nice. And then we still have to modify the tail, these things.
Correct.
We'll see. But that's raised up on that too. See, hold on. The only reason we have to modify these is because this on the new taillights is hitting it, but I thought maybe they just weren't raised up or something. Because like, see how this one's all bucked out? Because I flipped the fucking housing around just to make it fit. And that's going to be easy. That's like literally taking a Dremel and doing it. And we still have to get this motherfucking thing off. I want a hitch on the truck because I want to use it to tow the boat and tow the RX-7 if I ever have to. But if that thing ain't going to come out, I might just have to get a new hitch.
I still have no idea how to take it out.
I do. We need a acetylene torch, I think, and torch the living shit out of it, hit it with a sledgehammer. Fuck. Oh, and door's working smoothly as hell today, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking ridiculous.
I know, it's fucking ridiculous. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna let him get back to work, and then we'll check in a little bit here and see what the hell is going on, and I'll probably be put to work too since I'm standing here. So, yeah. So now what are you mocking up for, like where the curve goes? And then you're gonna bend this to the shape of that?
I'm gonna cut it here. Leave this extra space for that little lip bend. And then
you gotta flare up the one side, right?
Correct. Some of that will get cut off too, but you got the perfect fucking...
Oh, you can roll it across the ball
while I'm beating it.
You're a fucking blacksmith, you know that?
Yeah. But first we gotta cut that off.
Zing.
I'm just gonna chop it here, and then we'll be able to make that separate piece. So.
Ooh, I'd say it's, yeah, it's close. Oh yeah, for the little hump out. Yeah. And with fine smithsmanship. Smithsmanship.
Where'd my pencil go?
Oh no. Hold on, I've got you, homie. He's recreating this piece, which I think that piece is from the front, right? From right here?
From the back.
Oh no, it is from the back. That's right. That's why you're lining it up at the back.
Yeah.
I'm special. And again, this is all from a FC fender off the RX-7. All of this steel. Come in such good use. And you know, nobody can blame me either, because I've been trying to sell them for like $50 for the pair for like a year. No one's asked.
No shit.
Yeah, so fuck it. Might as well reuse them. I just kind of had them sitting over here. Like all the square body stuff, I pretty much just even put that up, just like, come take it. Even the headers and everything. I sold
the only thing you sold is that insert?
I sold the insert and that's it. And nobody's coming to get the shit. I was like, I don't care what you do with it. You could scrap it. Like, you could scrap this. I mean, even though most of it's missing. But anyway. Now you're getting the two panels matched up.
Yeah. I say we'll cut that little corner out, and then we'll basically have one. Still gotta cut this out, but it is coming.
It is coming. So you figure you're gonna take part of that piece for the front bit of it?
Oh yeah. But the only thing that sucks is all that was rusted away, so I'm like...
You don't know...
measurements, so I'm fucking...
kind of guessing.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta remember too, you're gonna have that other panel coming.
Yeah.
And then you could fill the rest with Bondo, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just an old fucking square body truck. Some Bondo won't hurt nothing.
But my name's gonna be on it. Gotta make it pretty damn good.
Oh, if you do Bondo good enough, no one will ever know it, bud.
That should be big enough.
And you know what? I'm really thinking too, like for a while, especially how I was just telling you about the wheels thing. I think like respray those black, leave the tall ass tires on it, and then put the drop kit on it. The rear fender is going to be like over the tire.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
I know. These wheels are fucking. Did you ever notice how skinny they are too?
Just
like,
tires.
Well, yeah, and they're like big load E tires too. So like I put some different tires on it that'll change it a little bit. But like that's why they, like you were saying, they spin everywhere I go. All right, well, fuck yeah. So that's the piece that was there. Like somebody else repaired it once. You were saying, right?
Yeah, they
right.
fucking
Somewhere
riveted it on there. It was like this.
Interesting.
There's your little rivets.
Oh. Yeah. Well, fuck yeah. More fabrication. Right on.
Right on, right on.
Right on, right on.
all kinds of goodies in there.
Jeez, look at all that.
I thought that was a fucking beehive, but that's actual.
That's like
That's fucking Bondo.
Oh, sweet. Super bright out here now. Fucking A. Sun's out, baby. That is such a long cut.
Well, thank you. Damn it.
And the most amazing part is once he gets done, you will never be able to tell that half of that bed is from an RX-7, just welded and hacked together. I think we got what? We got a piece of a Kia for the rocker panel, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we scored a piece of a C-pillar assembly for a Kia, I think a Sorento, and look how perfect that's gonna work.
Well, once you trim it up.
Yeah, I mean a little bit of trim, but still, that's badass. At least that door will shut and not lock itself, even if the lock doesn't work.
That's what we need, though, is another unit side at work.
Yeah.
Keep that top piece.
Benito. So, since we don't have a welder or anything, he duct tape welded, I guess, it together. This is so he can see, because obviously, as you've been watching, these are a couple different pieces from the fender. This is so he can see where he needs to make the bends to make it all one continuous piece.
Especially here.
Yeah. And make it also match the other side, which he's trying to go off of this side, which is kind of difficult because that side is also an FC fender. So, but that way you can at least match it up, and then you'll never even know. But look, that's pretty cool. 3 different pieces, hammer and smithed together. So what now?
Beer.
Beer. Weather is terrible today. So anyway, we got a little sidetracked last night, obviously, and we didn't ever go pick up a welder or anything. So right now, this is where the truck remains. Next week, I guess we're going to make all that bend and happen with a welder and start, making it seamed into the body. So there will be a video on that. And that's all the progress this week for the truck. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I got new videos out every week from now on. I've been doing a video once a week on something, whether it be on that, or the boat, or the RX-7 in the garage, or just something else, because I'm always up to something. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stay in tune. Sometime next week and another video will drop.